Create a one-of-a-kind vanity for your bathroom. With a solid oak and pine frame for durability, set and sleek oak countertops and fronts for a stylish touch, this design is both functional and elegant. It features a built-in space for a washing machine, a laundry drawer, sant, and 3 spacious drawers under the sink. Watch the full assembly process and learn how to build long-lasting solid wood furniture. Enjoy watching. We begin with the frame, the foundation of our vanity. A strong base ensures durability. First, we prepare materials for gluing wooden panels, which will serve as the internal dividers. For these, we use pine offcuts for it, while the visible partitions are made from solid oak for a premium look. The entire frame is assembled using glue, except for the bottom brace of the washing machine drawer. This part should remain removable, frank, to allow easy installation and removal of the washing machine when needed. For fasteners, we use screws, dowels, and threaded rods. We mark dowel positions using simple tools like a dowel jig or centering pins. Now it's time to make our solid oak countertop. We start by cutting the wood to size, then proceed with jointing, planing, sets, and ripping into strips. The gluing process happens in 2 stages, just like for the internal partitions. After planing the glued panels, hence we use dowels to join them into one solid piece, forming our countertop. To cut the sink opening, cash fried, we use the provided template that came with the sink. Next, we install the cabinet doors for the washing machine compartment. We drill holes for the hinges using a Forstner bit and attach the doors to the frame. Adjustments can be made by tightening or loosening the hinge screws to align the doors perfectly. The laundry drawer. Now let's move on to the laundry drawer. After preparing the wooden pieces, we assemble the drawer using a tongue and groove joint technique. We use a miter sled on a table saw for precise cuts. The top and bottom of the drawer are connected using pocket hole screws. While we install 4 telescopic soft close slides for smooth operation. For the pull-out drawers, we use the same tongue and groove technique. The drawer bottoms are made from OSB panels, fitting into pre-cut grooves. top drawer is custom shaped to allow smooth opening, despite the sink taking up space underneath. To position the drawer fronts accurately, we temporarily secure them with double-sided tape before final attachment. The vanity is almost ready. Now for the finishing touches. We apply a water-resistant coating to the frame and countertop, creating a protective layer against moisture. The drawer fronts are finished with an oil wax blend, enhancing the natural wood grain. Finally, we remove the bottom brace of the washing machine compartment for easy installation of the appliance. Once in place, we reattach the brace for stability. And here it is, a stylish and space-saving oak vanity, and with a hidden laundry drawer and dedicated washer space. It's modern, practical, and perfect for small bathrooms, with 3 spacious drawers to store all your essentials. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing DIYs. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.